Hey, babe. What you eating? Guess what day it is? My birthday. Say something. Look at my socks. Zebra and stars. What a disgusting feet. Hey! Don't be a weenie face. I love you, I'm sorry.
I'm reading this.
You're getting your cum all over my bed.
Stop!
I'm just trying to make you uncomfortable so you don't say something. You're reading a sex book?
No! Shut up!
How do I know you're not?
That looks like you.
No, I think that's Aaron. Yeah? Aaron. Your fingers look wrinkly.
They're all wrinkly. Everybody's fingers are wrinkly in the middle. Your fingers are wrinkly.
Yours are just sausages. Get off my bed. Now. Shh. I'm gonna kick your shit. Go call someone. Prank call someone. Cranky motherfucker! Oh shit, sorry. Blonde highlights. Oh! Right there. Should have been platinum. It says hi. And then it says shit, I can't do it. And it says bye. Favorite nose. Stop. Don't hold it like do video with me. I'm bored. I'll play with your lightsaber nuts. Fun, and we're doing that. Because you are so unhappy. Ugh. Well, that's boring. It is not reading time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No!
I was gonna shit on the phone, stupid.
It says, isn't your favorite? Oh my god. Hold it for a little while so you can play with the sword. Point it on me. Oh my god, what are you doing? Get out of here.
I'm reading to the viewers. By the end of the day, I noticed that Isabel had taken down her Jared J. Fire picture, and Emily was singing something that may have been a Verge Apollo song, and maybe she had just stubbed her toe. Anybody's guess. But I really think they're switching to Verge. They're copying me. Could this all be just from the picture on my binder? Or is somebody spying on me another way?
Ah!
Hey, copy Jamie Kelly, everybody. Distinctive hair wig, adorable C1 hearts for your shirt. Jug of odor sauce to dump on your feet. Just kidding, stop copying.
My giraffe!
Friday 13th. Dear Dunbarry, my mom had birds play when I came back to breakfast this morning.
Wom.
Dad was trying to asking me how we get back to the song was.
Worldwide!
He really and truly said
Worldwide! Throw this around! Woo!
Woo! This is a scroll with
Oh yeah. Ooh! Throw that baby. Worldwide! Look how long this is, Abby.
When I first saw it, screw off. I could be staring at my binder. I can see
Oh my god.
Birch apple.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And that
Oh my
was
god.
still an
Oh my god.
item.
Oh my god.
I secretly peeked around a corner and saw Emily.
You picked around the corner? You picked your nose?